Hi. Currently, we don't have any strong advertising system. So, I suggesting the next generation advertising system for leads that provide advertising support for both website as well as merchants. So, why I'm saying it's the next generation? Because it's a service plus advertising system. So, here's my idea. We create simple web-based system called Food Server. So, every merchant who uses our system receives page to maintain, and this page contain their food items, pictures of their products, and notifications. So, and also we add some cool features like use customer subscribe systems and or online ordering system and so on. So, so the merchant can use these pages as their advertising hubs. At the moment, most of merchants has their own web pages and some doesn't. So with this system, we can bring them all web pages into one room.
I didn't get it.
So I'll summarize. So that's what they're saying is like a Facebook page for merchant, your merchant page, where merchant has their products, promotions, all their marketing advertisements on that.
Per merchant.
Per merchant page, like a Facebook page, merchant page. Right. That's the idea.
So how would you maintain this? Who's going to maintain this, all the content and the details? And
already we have merchant details, some details. So we create a template and we found they was created into that template. So we generate merchant page, using merchants head. So we can add more details. And
who decimated it?
So can do top scheme.
So we have 5,000 merchants within the
No,
upstate.
that's why I'm saying it's I design pumping solution. We can pump our already the details already have into this. So it generate this web page.
Why do I need to? So I already have a page. That's why do I need to pump a new page the same way before? Whereas I can use. So Facebook has the same feature, right?
So we doesn't have these features like customs and other systems, pictures of real food.
You can actually do that. For a given restaurant, you can open a separate page on Facebook.
So while here we all customers in one group, that's a concept here. So if the customer wants to come here, custom company.
So there's an advantage of having Facebook. Now, if it is Facebook, the information is on another system. We are trying to get that information to our side. Give them, this is more like a added advantage. Saying if you come on board, you get a page which is SEO friendly, which we do a little bit of marketing, and your information is in one place. You don't need to go to Facebook, Twitter, all the other social media to do that.
But as a user, why would I go to that even in the system, a lot of online ordering is based on the mobile.
What we do have right now is only the product catalog. If you pick the restaurant, you get that. We can't search promotions across the merchants today. If you have these pages, you can search them.
What is the market? What makes you think that this is a good business proposal that the merchant is actually someone is gonna come to my merchant page and look at all these ads and this because it's online. What is the business?
So I'll answer. So if you look at a very simple business.
Yeah.
Right. Yes.
Why do you think this is a good
There are many features for customers, custom systems and ordering systems. So I think customers will come here and use because of merchants in the single website. So it's a like an advertising system.
Have you looked at existing systems that are out there like GrubHub? There are many out there already. Have you looked at them?
It's only for lead sits.
Yeah, but there are companies and products that only do this for restaurants, any restaurant. I can't remember. I think GrubHub is one of them, but there are many like this. What differentiates us?
But these many merchants in the one website.
Yeah, so all these are all different merchants in one website. I forget the name. GrubHub is one, I think, right? There are many like this. Food Republic. you look at all restaurant merchants in one single place. You can do searches, they can do promotions all in one place. Different merchants. So how would we differentiate?
The features, this website integrate with our website. Those sites we can integrate with our website, right? So it's a ordering now system. So order systems and filter those systems. There's some features that on those are integrated with our website.
How do a merchant create a proper website? So basically, so then if we are creating that now, how do we make sure it's unique? Like I want my restaurant to be unique than Chintan restaurant. So how do I make
it's the same template. So it's a user experience.
will be same?
Yeah, same templates. So you can add your notifications if you are a merchant. You can add your notification if you are doing new products and things. So the subcat users get the message if you add notification, you get an email or any message, some item message.
So the subscription is for merchant base or it's a deep set base? Like merchant.
So if a user, so these the people who are going to use this are consumers, who are going to company. So on my home page, am I going to see promotions or whatever from several lead merchants, or do I select one?
So believe it or not, this was one of Mani's ideas, right? He had the same kind of idea, right? Majority of small to medium ticket merchants don't have a web presence. Of course, you can have a Facebook page, but it's difficult to digitize, have an up-to-date menu. Right? We have all the necessary information to automatically generate this, right, through a template. Right?
Plus the key thing, our infrastructure, online ordering can be plugged in. Our product catalog can be plugged in. So this site utilizes our existing infrastructure. That's the main network.
So actually, Jan will love this. He wants to do this right from the beginning.
I think
So,
the idea is really great. I mean, this will drive oil traffic. So the strategy for the user should be make this a vehicle to drive traffic to our system. Of course, this will be a generated, pre-generated one, but we should be able to give a URL. So to remember URL, so the merchant can use it to for their sales purposes, advertisements and stuff like that. Yes, and I think this is quite different from what you see on Grubhub and Yelp, right? So this will give them a real website-like feel, which is very, very good. Yeah.
There will be one suggestion there. Now, for example, when you go into this one as a consumer, say I am in LA, you will see restaurants from San Francisco to Florida. What I would suggest you do is when you log in. So, for example, when you log in, you know which zip code you are in. If you can have a restaurant in that zip code around the area, and also promotions in that area, that will be very much more personalized and much more. That no point in knowing something that's happening in Florida. Right? That's one. The other one is, without going to a separate page, when you are ordering, how can you use that order page that he has with some in the page itself to have the links with the promotions that are happening. So whether you want it or not, you are doing what you log in to do, right? But you see everything that is happening in your area. So that really will help people to go into that and see more information about it than having a whole bunch of restaurants which are sometimes not in your area.
I have just one suggestion. One thing is like when a consumer would log in, you have like a news feed taking into consideration location, like location. So you have all the different promotions and also when you order this restaurant in one feed. So anything that's nearby, you have to call without having to go to separate restaurant pages. That's one thing that we currently have also. You have to know what restaurant you want to go and order from. Otherwise, so this will help the studies to come out. So
Last question, can you build this for us? Huh? Can?
It's possible.
Can you build it?
Yeah.
And I'm sure we can eliminate the obscene government.
No, already information.
How long is he here for?
He's not here for very long, but the idea is that whatever project that we choose, we can find a group of people.
They have to be able to build it. Huh?
Yes, yes. So all of these are viable projects
within 3 to 6 months.
all right. So any further questions from the judges? Let's open it out to the audience.
So just a question, is this by any chance related to any link with the ratings for dishes, or is it purely up to the merchant to nominate whatever dishes?
Is it purely up to the merchant to decide what goes here?
And notifications is up to the merchants. Notification is food
No, I'm referring
delivery.
to the dishes over there. Are you listing everything that's available on the menu, or specific
Oh,
items, or
everything.
everything that's
Over
available?
Yeah.
So there is nothing saying that the merchant can nominate something and anything.
He can
goes
add
to that?
anything additionally. It's a notification like this or special menu items that we don't have.
So is there are you thinking of an additional charge for them for being on this, or does every merchant have the right to be on this?
By default, everybody. But the idea is you can customize it.
And so like if the merchant, like you don't have this as yet, but if you rate something, rate a dish, it's highest rated amongst a lot of customers, that it automatically be pulled into.
That's a possibility, but not planned.
This is similar to what the anything.lk guys want to do, right? That side.
Any other questions? So Ravi, what do you think? You've seen similar sites?
Yep. It seems like a good idea actually.
Samantha? Azim? What do you say?
Like once when you started the you have explained that you're going to pump information from Facebook as well as platform. But my idea is like it's better if you can do it in the other way. Like you publish from here. From here you can publish to Twitter, you can publish to Facebook from one single place. So merchants going to get that advantage instead of paying hundreds of thousands of dollars to do social advertising. You can straightly go make use of this site and do those social marketing or whatever propagandas.
Let's have a question from the DB team at the back. Hila? Or Aruna?
They think they can design the database for this.
They are designing it.
Designing it.
Any challenges you foresee? This sort of thing? Nipuna, you're the DB man.
Actually, this website has the two parties, merchants and the consumers. So merchants, we can go and sell. We can say we can put advertisement there. But for consumers, how are you going to attract?
That's a concept here. It's advertising. The current system is like description actually. It's not contained this kind of photos and things. So that's the idea. Bring all merchant websites into one group. That's the concept here.
All right. Thanks a lot for that.